So this is the second video of how to make money online as a freelance digital marketer. If you've not seen the first video, all you just have to do is to watch the video before this video. So the first thing you need to do is what I call researching the niche, and this is the step-by-step process of how to do this. Number one, you have to first write down in a list all the digital marketing skills, core digital marketing skills that you think you'll be comfortable with offering to businesses as a freelancer. Maybe Facebook ads, content creation, social media management, and so on and so forth. Once you've listed all this out, the second thing you now have to do is to go to a platform called upwork.com or Upwork. You just sign up on Upwork and you look for the find talent search bar. Inside that search bar, you start typing in these skills one after the other. This will allow you have a very detailed information on how well you can get paid with this skill, and it will allow you get a detailed information of how well this skill is in high demand. Now, once you've done this, the next thing is step 2, and step 2 is what I call portfolio building. Once you've done this, what you have to do is to now focus on one of those skills that you think you are most comfortable with, that pays well and that is in high demand, and you now start implementing that skill that you just picked. There must be somebody within your close circle that skill can benefit, or somebody in your close circle that really needs that skill. All you just have to do is to sit back and think, look for that person and offer this skill as a service to that person. You'll be able to get reviews from the person, and you'll be able to get work samples that you can now add into your portfolio. So once you've done this, you can now proceed to step 3, and step 3 is what I call portfolio marketing. So what this means is that you are now going to be marketing your experience, your work samples, and your testimonials and reviews. You will use all this to get new clients, and once you get the new clients, you also add the work samples, the project you did for them, and the reviews of these new clients. You add them into your portfolio, and you use the same updated portfolio to get new clients, and you keep repeating this. Once you have arrived at step 3, then you can now get to step 4, and step 4 is what I call subsidiary skill. When you pick a dominant digital marketing skill, there are usually subsidiary tools. There are usually tools and software that are very important within that skill that you must master. Now, those specific software and those specific tools are things that you can now sell as an expertise on its own to businesses, and this is one way you can easily pivot into the foreign market. Let me give you an instance. If you pick social media content creation or social media management as a core skill, and you are trying to offer this, you may not be able to easily get foreign clients at a go, but with your experience working for other clients, you would have gathered a lot of experience using a tool called Notion, Notion, and with that knowledge that you have of that tool, you can sell the specific expertise of Notion to foreign companies. So the subsidiary skill is a specific skill set of a mandatory software within your core skill that you can now sell easily to seep into the foreign market. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it. Thanks for watching.